Is SQLite Project pathing failed due to the libsqlite3-0 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before we start the libsqlite3-0 library manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the libsqlite3-0 library, a shared library implementation of the SQLite Database Engine. It provides applications with localized serverless data storage logic. It is a mandatory requirement for browsers and bookkeeping tools. If missing, the parent software will report a database module not found error during the login phase. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Since libsqlite3-0 library DLL is an application-specific dependency for SQLite Project, you need to download the latest version of the software, throwing the error to properly register the library within its own folder. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the libsqlite3-0 library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for libsqlite3-0 library DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to libsqlite3-0 library and system efficiency. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter libsqlite3-0 library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.